vehicles, but as legacies carved in steel and heritage. The Toyota Land Cruiser is one of those. For decades, it's been a symbol of unstoppable stepping inside the interior is not the flashy deck. This is something black circles down. Subtle actions, but otherwise,
ከኔም ጋር አልተስማማ
silence. So perfect against them. Outside him but a distant dream. Even the engine will wake to hum deep resonance of tempo.
ከሰው በደል ስሽሽ
It is not about impressing.
ስርቅ በብላቴ ለካሲ ይኖራል ጠላት ባክላቴ
Every time
ወዴን ሳየሁ የፊቱን ገላዬን ባሳመረው አምላክ
this is craft.
የወደ ኋላዬ
Adapt everything.
ቀብሬን ስገባ
Autonomous system that
ሞት የቀማኝ ሰው
ancient
ሞት የቀማኝ ሰው
daughter luxury.
ገና ሳይወጣልኝ ጮኬን ሳልጨርሰው
Not designed to transit.
እያንሰቀሰቀኝ ያጣሁት ዘመዴ
It's awkward.
ያጣሁት ዘመዴ የእርምክን ይመኛል
Waterfall.
ሐዘንተኛ ሆዴ ሐዘንተኛ ሆዴ
Like
ተው
watching
እንጂ
sand.
ተው እንጂ ተው እንጂ ተው እንጂ ተው እንጂ ተው እንጂ ተው እንጂ ሆዴ ታገስ እንጂ ተው እንጂ ሳታቻ እንጂ ተው 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 እንጂ ሆዴ ታገስ እንጂ
Quiet power.
ተው እንጂ ችለህ እደር እንጂ
Space.
ተው እንጂ ሆዴ ቀስት እንጂ
As I walked away, the land is not just a call. A message that strength and elegance are not opposites, but partners. That luxury and capability are not rivals, but allies. For those who will own it, this SUV will not be a purchase, it will be an heirloom. For those who will see it pass on the road, it will not be a vehicle, it will be an event. And for Toyota, it is not just the merging of two names. It is the birth of something that will be remembered long after the year 2026 has passed. This, ladies and gentlemen, is not the Land Cruiser as you knew it. This is not the Century as you knew it. This is the Land Cruiser Century SUV, and it may just be the most profound statement Toyota has ever made on four wheels.